The scanner class. What is the scanner class? Well, the scanner class allows us to bring in data from the console. System.in is the object that allows us to access the keyboard and bring in data from the user. The scanner object breaks input into units called tokens. And it has several methods. These methods allow us to bring in different data types. I won't read through all of these, but realize that next and next line both bring in strings. Next brings in a token as a string, which just means it brings in the next word. And next line brings in the entire stream of data until it gets to a \n character or a line feed, right? And it looks like this. And I'll just kind of show this to you on the screen by using the scanner class. I'm just going to do a quick program, and it's going to look like this. Going to do KB for keyboard. Going to bring in the system.in for keyboard input. And of course I need to import java.util.scanner to make this work. Oops. .scanner to make this work. And then I can come in and say kb.nextLine. And that's going to bring in the next line of string. Next line until you get to the new line sequence. And then I can just print that out. And we'll do that with the concatenation, and it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to run this program, and you have a problem. A username cannot be resolved to a variable because I misspelled username. There you go. All right. What is your name? Sorry. What is your name? I'm going to type in chat. It's a hello chat. A couple of things I want to add are just spaces in there, so it makes this look more normal. But y'all can see how this works. I'm gonna run this again. Hello chat. I did the space in the wrong place. Whatever. Y'all can see how this works. And you can, of course, pause the video here and type in this program as well, and you can see it uses next line and next int, right? And in fact, I want to run this program as well, actually, so you guys can see something. All right. Or a similar program. Alright, so now we have this program, and this program asks the user what their name is and how old they are, and then it says, hello, you are this many years old. I'm going to run this program, and I want you to see something. Sorry, that needs to be int. Okay, so I'm going to run this program, I want you to see something, and that is that this program works okay. Alright. I'm not that old, by the way. I just typed it in randomly. All right. So this is next line in front of next int. But let's swap this around. And I want to show you what happens when I do this the other way around. It's my actual age, and it never let me get to the place. What happens is when I'm bringing in next int and I hit enter, it puts the integer and a new line character into the stream of characters that's coming into that stream, into the scanner stream. So when it gets to line 12, it looks for the next carriage return, and that just happened already because I put it in at line 10. So it skips that question and it goes right to the output. To fix this problem, I need to add another next line. And what that's going to do is it's going to get rid of that carriage return, and it's going to work correctly now. So now I can say 40. I typed in the right window, say 46, and it will work normally. So just be aware of that pitfall. Because the new line character is in the stream, it can bring in the that new line character for like a regular next double, next float, or whatever. So that keyboard buffer stores all the keystrokes, including enter. And avoiding that issue, after using like a next int, before you use the next line again, use an extra next line method to call to retrieve the abandoned enter key character after numeric or next inputs. Just wanted you to be aware of that problem.